here's how to make your X account public. Now, if you're on X and you want other people to be able to see your posts, your photos, videos, all of that stuff, I'll show you how to make it public. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the X app here. And the first thing we'll do is we'll get into your settings. So you need to tap on the profile picture at the very top left. And at the very bottom left, you'll see settings and support. Let's open that up and choose settings and privacy here. Now that we're in here, we're going to scroll down a bit and you'll see midway down is privacy and safety. Let's choose that. And then finally, we're at audience and tagging at the very top. That's what we'll want to tap on. And now there's no button that says make your account public or private, but it says protect your posts and protect your videos. Essentially, by protecting both of these, this will prevent other people from being able to see them if they are not an approved follower. But just by toggling both of these off, essentially what you've done is made everything on your account public. So all your posts, your replies, your photos, your videos, anyone on Twitter or X will be able to see all of those just by going into your profile and checking it out. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.